Here we have a 2020 BMW 320i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. You can even see the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We also have the mineral white metallic paintwork, 2 LED headlights, the blacked out kidney grills at the front. We also have the M Performance kit, which includes the front splitter just there. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel. We also have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the side skirts along the bottom. We have black trim around the windows with privacy glass for the rear passengers. Here is a look at the third alloy wheel, as you can see, in excellent condition. We also have the shark fin antennae just there and the rear spoiler lip. And this vehicle does have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside, along with a reversing camera. We have the dual exit exhausts. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Coming around now, let's have a look at the final alloy wheel. And inside you'll find the full leather interior with the M Sport seat belts just there. We also have the fixed ISO punch, the foldable armrest in the centre. We have the separate climate control for the rear passengers. You may have noticed the ambient lighting just there. On the doors you'll find the brushed metal handle along with the electric windows and integrated speakers. And in the front we have the same full leather interior, as you can see just there. Now these front seats are heated, and there's a look at them. On the doors we have the same brushed metal handles, we have the electric windows, so try out for the rear, the electric mirrors. We also have the auto lights just there. We have auto wipers, multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters on both sides, and the likes of speed limiter and cruise control. We have the digital dashboard just there, the main infotainment screen with the likes of sat-nav, radio, media, phone connectivity and much more. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.